Coach, a new role, a new environment. How are you enjoying your time in Lumbini Lions?
I'm enjoying it thoroughly. We have had a great camp in Bhairava, 7-8 day camp. So we prepared well. Unfortunately, we didn't do as expected today, but going forward, we are very confident, very upbeat, and looking forward to the tournament.
I want to take you back to the auction on the table. So after the game is played in the auction table, it's been said in the franchise leagues. So you were back in Canada. How were you coordinating with the team, and how happy you are with the squad that you have on paper?
I'm thoroughly happy with the squad. We were in Canada at that time, Rohit and myself, so it was a bit of a challenge communicating with the people who were present at the auction. But we got the players that we were looking for, even the international players that we have. And we are very, very happy with the squad and we are very confident going forward.
You have a very strong Nepali core, and after more than 66% of the team is comprised of Nepalese players. So how important do you think their role will be in this tournament?
100% it's going to be decided by how well the local players play. Because the international players, of course, will come and bring the experience and expertise. But how the players from Nepal, the batters and the bowlers perform, will go a long way in deciding how we do in the tournament.
So Vivek Yadav and Sandeep Zora in particular are known for T20 cricket in Nepal, and both have been in your squad. How important will their role be individual-wise?
Their roles are crucial. Sandeep is a super middle order batter and fielder. Vivek, of course, is a fantastic all-rounder. And we have been working on their skills, trying to get them to become better at what they do. And going forward, again, as I said, their performances along with Rohit at the top of the order is going to be crucial in the tournament for us.
You've been with the senior squad national team for last year, and you know a lot of about the players in other team as well. Do you think that will be an advantage for you that you know them inside out?
I hope it will be an advantage because I've been working with them for almost a year now, over a year. Interestingly, I've been trying to get them to become better at what they do. Now my role is to try and see that they don't perform against us, which is a bit of a challenge. But yes, it's interesting because I'll be on the other side now, and we know the players, we know what they do, we know where we can probably exploit them. So let's see how it goes.
Rohit, as a leader, how big of an opportunity and responsibility is it for him in the franchise league? National squad is different thing, and to captain foreign players, it's a different thing. What are you expecting from him?
I think Rohit is a fantastic leader. I keep telling anybody who I come across that Nepal is very lucky to have him as a leader because apart from what he brings in terms of his game, his leadership qualities, his humility, his communication with all the players, his readiness to lead from the front, lead by example is terrific. And I don't see any problem with the international players because he knows all the international players personally also. And they are coming here for a purpose. And he's a great leader of men, so I think it will be fantastic.
Apart from Lumbini Lions, who do you think has the best squad in paper to challenge the title of
I think
NPL?
all 7 teams are more or less equal. I don't see any clear favorites. Every team is going to try their hardest to win the tournament. So I expect it to be a very, very hard-fought tournament. An exciting, entertaining, interesting tournament for the fans. Nepal fans, of course, are terrific around the world and in Nepal. So I think it will be a very good tournament.
And last one, so you were with the Nepalese team at the World Cup where we had very close matches with test nations. So how important is NPL going to be to extract that player pool, maybe increase the player pool or even better things for Nepalese cricket?
I think it's a terrific opportunity for Nepal players, not only the main team, but the players who are on the fringes or who are coming up from the grassroots. Some of them have come from the talent hunt. So the players in Nepal will get to rub shoulders with international players, players of real caliber. And it will be a great learning curve for them. Hopefully they'll learn a lot from them by rubbing shoulders with these players. And Nepal cricket will benefit in the long run because you'll get a larger pool of players who will get more exposure. They'll get better at their skills, they'll get more confident, they'll get more opportunities. I believe this is going to be telecast on Star Sports. So a global audience, they get to perform in front of a global audience. So I don't think they could ask for anything more.